Look, y'all, let me make this quick. So, I'm back. I'm telling you, I am back. Look, so I'm about to pull one on Jazz. Jazz has been testing me. I'm about to pull one on her. Right now, she getting dressed. I told her, babe, I want you to dress up, put something nice on, look your absolute best. Although she always looks her best. I said, baby, I just want to take you out for dinner. I just want to celebrate you. She said, well, what did I do? I said, baby, it ain't about what you done. I just want to show my appreciation to you just for loving me and uplifting me and motivating me right. Little does she know, it's about to go down. I'm pranking her today. I've been saving this prank for at least 2 months. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna let her die down. I'm gonna let everything die down. Let her not even think that nothing's gonna happen. And then this heifer tests me. So look, it's hot in the mug. Look, just stay tuned, all right? I'm telling you, this is so original. Stay tuned. Hey, beautiful. You doing all right? Beautiful. Your little chocolate, what doing?
I'm great.
That's a nice purse. Beautiful. Shout out to Mike now.
Come on.
On your face? Oh, I didn't know what you were saying. Got my beautiful black queen with me, y'all. Babe, say what's poppin'?
Hi.
You excited for our date tonight?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I went to the barbershop, but it fits my character. Hands a little ashy, huh?
You gonna set the obvious?
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, y'all, it's just my time to celebrate my beautiful black queen. Oh, yeah. But I love you. You know where you want to eat at?
No.
Good, because I already picked out the place. We eat that White Castle today. You cool?
I eat White Castle.
What? Babe, you eat anything that's free.
I do not eat White Castle.
Why you tripping? I need to make a stop before we go out to eat, though. Is that cool?
Sure.
Huh?
Yeah, that's fine.
You about to put that lip gloss on so you can taste my lips, girl? You think you sleep?
Tap, tap, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. It's True.
Hey, what's up, buddy? How you doing, Garrett? I just want a simple car wash. Is there a way you can spray my windows down and tires down? Which one would that be?
So you're wanting us to spray the windows down for you?
Yeah, before I go in?
Yeah, we can spray the windows and wheels for you if you want us to.
Okay, yeah, absolutely. How much is that?
Absolutely. No, we can spray that down for free. So if you,
Oh, okay.
but if you want, you're just saying you want the basic wash for today?
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's just gonna be $10 for you then.
All right, you gotta take food stamp cards, man?
Cards or cash, whatever's best for
Food
you.
stamps?
No, I do not think we do.
Oh, okay. Just checking the
Sorry about
temperature,
that.
man. No
It's not
problem.
exactly food, so.
Just checking the temperature. So he said it's not exactly food, huh?
Not quite. I mean, I wouldn't eat the stuff going on your car if I were you. So.
That's funny. Yeah, y'all, this me and babe first date at the car wash. We never been to the car wash together.
A date at the car wash.
It was just like a date. See what's happening to the people, babe.
Why are you running?
Weird
Can you
nigga.
roll my window up, please?
Oh, what's up? Sorry about that. I can't see nothing.
You better watch them balls.
Pause.
Oh. Sir, are you going to be able to get us on the thing? Okay. I'm so sorry. It's okay, thank you. What are you doing?
All right, neutral, my bad.
What are you doing?
That was an accident, babe. I swear. I'm sorry.
What? KJ, no, what are you? Okay, roll up. Now
Yeah, remember you wanted to play. Now you wanted to play last time. Now get over there. Get over there. You wanted to play. I don't care about none of that. I don't care about none of that. You wanted to prank. Remember you wanted to prank. No, you wanted to prank. You gonna hit me. No, prank. I told you don't play with me yet. Get all in the car. Like, you see me? You want to prank? I told you I'm the king of prank. Yeah, get her. Lose your religion. Yeah.
roll up the window!
It's all right. Scoot over there, so. Scoot over there. All right, now we're going through the heat. You get the heat down. Look at your face. Get on the phone. Put your head out the window.
No!
Put your head out the window.
Roll up my damn window! Roll up my window!
Look at her face.
Oh my God! If I win!
If I win, Anakin. Yo, if I win.
Roll up the fucking window! Oh my God!
I'm sorry, baby. The window was unlocked. I told y'all, I'm the king of pranks, man. Don't play with me. Do not play with me. Do not play with me. Look at your hair. Let me get out the way. Jay, look at your hair. Look at your hair. Look at your hair. I'm sorry, car. Don't run me over. Babe. Ooh. Look at that. That was a good one. Say what's up to the YouTube.
Get this camera out of the way. Make it right.
Make it right. I got her, y'all. Let's go, man. Shout out to Crew Car Wash. Nigga, I'm great, man. I'm great, man. Come on, man. Let me turn the lights off.
You did that.
What'd you feel, bud?
No, that. Like, why would you do that? That was some do that. And now I'm soaking wet.
Which way you want me to go?
I just say go home.
Go home? Go home, Roger. Go home. Shout out to sister. This is what I do, y'all. I told you. I'm back with another biggity banger. We back. Hood. And she's classy. or wet or rainy. All right. You ain't gonna say the thing? Hey, look. Hey, yo, I'm Hood. And she's...
KJ, that was
mad.
so stupid.